Guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making salmon steak. So here I have a big salmon fillet here. I'll cut it up and make some steak. My kids love salmon. This is the only fish that they eat, so I try to make it as much as I can. They don't like Guyanese fish. They only like Canadian, this salmon here. And for the salmon, I'll be using this Clubhouse Lag Grill marinade. And it's honey and Dijon mustard. Tastes really good. My daughter really likes this. So check it out here. So I have a sharp knife here. Just cut the salmon up. It's a side knife, so it's hard to get through the skin. So check it out here. Nice salmon steak. Let's try it this way. Oh, it cut better this way. So I think I'll cut this one back. It's too big. And I'll cut this back. Kids don't eat small pieces, so I make what they can eat. And if they want, they can have two pieces. Check it out here, nice and fresh. I bought this salmon. And I have to put it in the freezer overnight. So now I'm cooking the salmon. Check it out here, nice pieces of salmon. I just cut them up. Now I'll wash them up and I'll start cooking. The salmon, I'm adding a teaspoon of salt to take with the sliminess. Some lemon juice. So I'll soak this thing for a little bit and then I'll start washing it. Check it out. Lime juice and salt. Salmon is washed. Check it out how clean it is. So now I'll try this with paper towel. I took some of the skin out, but I don't want to run the hot water over it because it might get softened. The fish might get softened. So I just kept some of it on. So for the salmon, I have another Clubhouse Grill seasoning here. This one is really good. It's bourbon, brown sugar bourbon. I'll add a teaspoon of this, and I'll add black pepper, some thyme, and then I'll add my seasoning, my marinade. So I'm adding a teaspoon of the bourbon seasoning, half a teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of sugar, teaspoon of cayenne fine thyme, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I'm adding half a lemon too. My marinade, honey and Dijon mustard. So I'll add quarter of this bottle. Not quite quarter, it's like 300 grams. 300 grams in here, so I add 150 grams of marinade. Let's mix everything up. Smells good. Kids love salmon. So I'm making it in the morning, so when they come home from school, they have some salmon and rice, yellow rice with tzatziki. Check it out. Smells so good. So my pan is nice and hot, so I'll just add the salmon. I took some of them, the skin off. But the thin one, I don't want to take the skin off because the flesh will come out. See how thin this one is? Check it out here. Put in the salmon in the golden pan. Too cold for outside. Looking good. Okay, let's check the salmon. Check that piece out. Check it out. Nice grill, man. Salmon looking good. Check this piece out. Oh my, check out all the good mark here on the salmon. Looking so good. Kids will love this salmon. Check it out here. Anyways guys, I haven't made video for a long time. So busy working, cleaning, cooking, other stuff. No time to make video. I try to make, but too busy. Have to rush in the morning. And now I'm making salmon for my kids. They love salmon. Check it out. Anyways guys, check out this salmon. Salmon is all done. Looking so good. I only turn it one time. Now I'll just do it for 2 minutes and then take it out. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my salmon comes out. Honey Dijon mustard salmon.